Section 1.3 Dividing the syllables. 1. Consonant plus vowel equals to a syllable, and vice versa. For example, desarrollo, mesa, ventana, asma, Israel, goma, luz, alto, el, ducha. 2. Weak vowels plus strong vowels equals to a syllable. For example, cuarto, nueve, viaje, idioma, cuaderno, viernes, agua, 20, viejo. Exercise 1.1. Please divide the syllables for the following Spanish vocabulary. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's work on this exercise together. Number 1. This word can be divided into two syllables. Salir, salir. Number 2. This word can be divided into four syllables. Simpático, simpático. Number 3. This word can be divided into three syllables. Estación, estación. Number 4. This word can be divided into two syllables. Decir, decir. Number 5. This word can be divided into three syllables. Comprender, comprender. Let's move on to section 1.4. Stress rules. 1. Words with N, S, or vowel endings will have stress on the second last syllable. For example, joven, vosotros, tiza, puerta, noche, samba, leche, ahora, mañana. 2. Words ending in other consonants will have stress on the last syllable. For example, estudiar, estoy, militar, albañil, profesor, beber, Vietnam, español, tranquilidad. 3. If a word has accent marks on a particular syllable, the stress is on the designated syllable. For example, como, estación, 16, inglés, país, alemán, té, café, lámpara. Exercise 1.2. Please divide the syllables for the following Spanish vocabulary and highlight the vowel in the appropriate syllable to indicate where the stress is. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's work on this exercise together. Number 1. This word can be divided into three syllables. Problema. Problema. Since this word ends with a vowel, so the stress is on the second last syllable. So we highlight the E in the second syllable. Number 2. This word has 3 syllables. Escuela. Escuela. Again, this word ends with a vowel, so the stress is on the second last syllable. So we highlight the E in the second syllable. Number 3. Grises. This word has 2 syllables. Grises. And the stress is on the first syllable, since it has S endings. So we highlight the I in the first syllable. Number 4. This word has 4 syllables. Teléfono. Teléfono. Notice that in the second syllable, there's an accent mark on the letter E. So we highlight the E with the accent mark to show that the stress is here. Number 5. This word has 2 syllables. Comprar. Comprar. And the stress is on the last syllable, since the vocabulary ends with a different consonants rather than N or S. So we highlight the A in the second syllable to mark the stress of this word. In the next video, we'll cover special pronunciation. See you in the next video.